What's up, guys? I bought a rooftop tent. It was really hard to get off the roof. As you can see, the box is still stuck on my roof. Now we're gonna open it up and see what's inside.
It's already opened.
Now we're gonna take it out of the plastic and see what's inside. Here's some. So I'm pretty sure this is supposed to come with a cover and ladders.
This is the cover.
No, that's the rain cover. There's there it is. Oh look, there's some stuff. But we can't.
T-Rex arms.
I can't reach it either.
T-Rex arms.
Welcome to my house.
Yeah, where are those? These are your supports.
Oh. And here's a ladder. All right, we're gonna try to get this thing organized, unpacked, and then we'll see you in a second. Some things, some cables, some computer cable for charger, I guess. And some mounting things.
Poles.
And then some poles. And a shoe bag. And a ladder. And there's an LED light. I'm assuming that light's on the inside. It plugs in. I'll show you that later.
Tent cover.
Ooh. What is that cover?
A tent. It smells like rubber.
Here it is set up. This is an arm.
That's another one.
So the inside of this thing's actually pretty freaking big. You'll probably see it better whenever it's not dark in the inside. So the basket's just a little bit too wide, so I gotta take this bracket that slides inside that track where the bolts go on, and I gotta cut like, I don't know, 1/4 inch of it off, and then they'll fit and it should mount perfectly. So these are what I'm talking about right here. These are what bolt in, and to make the other side work, it has like that much of an overhang. And this little cap goes onto this, now it can't go onto there. So me and Zach finished up the rooftop tent yesterday. There it is. It's a tent on the roof. And then we drove to Henry's shop that he owns, works at. I don't know what he does. But he's putting his stupid 4.0 in his Jeep because the 2.5 just isn't good enough for him anymore. He needs so much more power to pull these big hills. The real story is, the last time we went wheeling, I climbed the hill that he couldn't. So he blamed it on the motor. And now he's like, oh, I got a screaming deal on a new motor. Oh. He did. It was like $500. But so there it is, up on top of the old roof. There's a ladder and stuff. The best part about this is when I have my cooler right here, I'll be able to reach beer from the window. That's a plus. Here's the other side. I'm sure you guys all know what rooftop tents look like by now, especially if you're watching this video. So I got it for like, I think it was like $670 out the door whenever 4wheeldraftparts.com had their one-day Saturday sale. And then I got the 3-year warranty for $45 because I beat the guy up in price. He wanted like $60 and I was like, no, I'm not paying that. So I didn't know that was negotiable, but it is. So next time you go there, keep that in mind. So here's a little view of the inside. It is surprisingly very, very big in here. We've got windows. Obviously, you can zip those up or unzip the screens. So you can climb out under your hood if you wanted. I don't know why you'd want to, but you could if you wanted. Little ladder down there. And this is pretty cool. There's a neon light here, or LED light, I should say. And then it comes with a ton of cable, which I think I showed you yesterday, that you can run down into the Jeep, and then it gives you a 12 volt that you can plug your phone into, or other lights or whatever you have to need to charge it up. So that's kind of cool. All kind of pockets. There's a pocket there, and a pocket there, and a pocket there, and a pocket there, and a pocket there.
Up there. Hey, you put that up there. Yeah, you can put that up there.
No one likes him. He's jealous that he can't afford a tent right now because he has to buy parts for his truck because he has to be responsible.
I'm sorry, I need front suspension pieces because it's Japanese and
it's not a Jeep?
Awesomely made.
Not a Jeep.
Because torsion bars are better than leaf springs.
Says who?
It says me.
You're a liar.
No.
We're going to let the internet decide on that. What do you guys think is better, leaf springs or torsion bars?
See, that's bullshit because everyone that watches your channel owns these stupid things.
Awesome
a big
Jeeps?
Box on wheels. A cow is more aerodynamic than this thing.
Yeah,
Fuck
well...
you.
Someone's a little salty. Can we get a little salt video and import that in right now?
Put that guy that does this and gets his skin flakes all through the salt.
So with that being said, I really appreciate you guys liking my channel and hitting that subscribe button.
Please love me.
I
have no real friends. I need my internet friends to love me.
That's why I travel around so much. We're like the lost souls who just travel the earth looking for something to... What are we looking for?
We're looking for adventure. Adventure.
Adventure?
Adventure.
Zach has a girlfriend who's going to watch it. No, she's not going to watch
She
this.
doesn't watch them anyway.
All right, I'm going to get this thing packed up, and then we'll probably head home because we're like 2 hours away from where we live. And there's Zach.